Most of us know our weaknesses, we work on them, but the ones we don't know about are the real danger. Those are our blind spots. Even great leaders like Steve Jobs had them. His arrogance made him ignore people who disagreed. He didn't realize how others felt. That blind spot got him fired from his own company. When leaders have too much power, blind spots get bigger. Ron Johnson was a star at Apple and Target, but at JCPenney, he made huge changes without understanding the company's culture. He lost $1 billion in 1 year. The first step is to find your blind spots. Look at your mistakes, especially the ones you repeat. The author once gave advice that hurt a client's team. He realized he wasn't seeing the bigger picture. Once he saw that, he changed his approach. But awareness alone is not enough. Many leaders know their blind spots but ignore them. It's easier to keep doing what you're doing. Xerox knew they were falling behind in innovation. They didn't change course, and competitors overtook them. You need honest feedback. People around you see things you miss. The Johari window model shows this clearly. Meg Whitman once told her boss he pushed his ideas too hard. He had no idea. He listened, changed, and became a better leader. Don't wait for feedback. Ask for it, or use a third party like an HR manager. Anonymous feedback is often more honest. That way, even quiet employees will speak up. Not all blind spots matter equally. Some are above the waterline, they cause small problems. Others are below the waterline, they can sink you. Focus on the ones that threaten your business most. But remember, some blind spots can help. Sarah Blakely's ignorance of risk and her extreme persistence helped her succeed. As you move up, you lose touch with what's happening below. Leaders stop seeing daily realities. That's why you need to go see for yourself, like on Undercover Boss. Andrew Good, CEO of Schlumberger, never asked his leadership team for information. He asked the people doing the work. He got the real story. We also tend to see only what supports our views. We ignore everything else. Good leaders look at all the data, not just what makes them comfortable. Budget numbers alone don't tell you about competitors. Broaden your sources. Read between the lines. Notice when someone is quiet. That silence can be a warning. Build a strong team. The better they know you, the better they see your blind spots. Steve Jobs learned this at Pixar. His team challenged him regularly. That helped him make better decisions. Encourage debate. Respectful criticism makes the whole team stronger. Xerox's R&D group did this and created the mouse, laser printers, and pull-down menus. The truth is, blind spots will always be there. But with the right team and honest feedback, you can find them and fix them. That's how great leaders stay great. Please like, share, and subscribe.